Hello everyone, my name is Sandip. I am a student of EIILM-Kolkata. My course is BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management. Now we are going to prepare chicken roulade with cheesy spinach.
So here we have the following ingredients for this. We have the spinach which is blanched, and we have the garlic, we have the cheese, we have salt and pepper, all this, and the seasoning, and here we have the breadcrumbs, we have some colored vegetables if we need we will use, we have the cheese, and we have the flattened chicken. We will start by making the spinach stuffing. Now we will put some garlic. We'll put the spinach. We can put some cheese also, some salt and pepper for seasoning. Now we have the flattened chicken. We have already marinated. Put the cheese over it. I'll put some salt and pepper for the seasoning. This is a very fascinating and a very convenient dish where we have a lot of protein and vitamins in it, and a little quantity of fat as well. But this is the goat cheese, which is less in cholesterol. Put the stuffing here. We can put some zucchini also. We can line up with some zucchini. Now we are going to roll this. After we have done with this, we have to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So we'll go to the refrigerator and we'll put it. Come. It is already refrigerated. Okay. Now what we need to do is we have to take this out. Brush some egg white. This is the egg wash. We'll put it in the breadcrumb.
We set the temperature with 180 degree for 10 minutes.
This is ready.
Our dish is ready. Please do try at home and let us know how it is. Thank you.